Hey everyone, it's Manero here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted my dogs with pastels using Procreate. So let's jump right into it. In order to achieve this, I'm going to be using my Epic Pastels brush set for Procreate. You can find it along with a free mini version for you to try out on my Gumroad page through the link in the top right corner of this video or in the description below. For my photo reference, I made this quick collage with a couple of photos of my dogs, Milka and Chuo. This video is going to be a time lapse, where I'll show you my whole process with no commentary. I hope you find it interesting and relaxing. If you want to see a full in-depth tutorial on how to use these brushes, check out the link in the top right corner. In this one you still will be able to see what brush I'm using at all times, by looking at this rectangle here. I hope you liked the video. And this is the final result. I really hope you liked this video. If you use my brushes and post your art on social media, feel free to use the hashtag #ManeroBrushes so that I can see what you create. I will be extremely happy to share your creations with my audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Epic Pastels brush set for Procreate and many other sets and freebies that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.